Hello everyone, today we're making meat pie. So here I have my 1 kg flour, here I have my baking powder, here I have my salt, and here I have my butter. So I'm putting baking powder, 1 tablespoon, okay? So this is the baking powder. And now I'm putting salt, 1/2 tablespoon. And I'm pouring the salt. So the butter will have to measure it. The butter is 500 grams. So I'm measuring it. Here I have my milk, and I'll be using 1/2 cup.
This is 500 grams of butter. Then you add your butter to your mixture of the flour. Then you use your hands to mix up everything together like the way I'm doing it right now.
This is mixture of milk and egg. So this is egg yolk. But spraying flour on the surface and leave it for 40 minutes.